Hello everyone, I Amrita welcome you all to Pankhudi Mehendi channel's third basic henna class. Today's class is the pencil practice session of the frill elements, the petals and the spiral elements. And to make it interesting, I have prepared a layout. I have done all these practices using a pen as I couldn't find a pencil today, but I insist you all to do all these practices using a pencil as pencil gives a good grip to the drawing. You have to start these practices with the frill elements. What is the most important thing while drawing the frill? The most important thing is the continuity of the frill, its height and width of each frill element. I have shown all kinds of frills here, means the bigger frills and the smaller frills and even the medium frills. I am showing here just the part of the practices. Later at the end of the video you can see how on the whole page I have completed all these practices. Doing the practices of frill elements between two lines brings our brain and our hands in continuity, in the state of continuity and in the state of equality as well. Equality in the sense our mind and our hands work together to make every second frill element equal in height and in width to the every previous element. Same is the thing with the petals. I have prepared somewhat different layout for the practice of the petal shapes. You can notice here I have uploaded a speeded up video to keep it short. But in reality, please remember, you must always draw each and every element very slowly. You shouldn't hurry up to finish all these practices. You must focus on making each and every new element better than the previous element. Then whatever time it takes doesn't matter. Now here we go for the spiral element practices. Spiral elements can be drawn anti-clockwise and clockwise too. The first spiral element that I have drawn here has got a good shape, but the second one has got little oval shape because the width and the height of that box is not symmetrical. If you noticed, I marked on the cross mark everywhere and I followed those dots to prepare the spiral in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. I can prepare spiral in anti-clockwise direction very finely compared to the clockwise direction. Everybody's comfort level is different. We have to keep trying to do everything better than the previous. This is how today's practice sheet looks at last. Remember not to throw the practice sheets as you will need them again during the Mehendi Cone practice sessions. Thank you all.